Welcome to Tinkerspace. So today let's make radar system. Here we use ultrasonic sensor as input and servo motor and buzzer as output. These components are connected to Tinkerspace brain board, and we also use connecting wires and a power module. Now let's connect the components. Here we connected ultrasonic sensor to input 3 and servo motor to output 1 and a buzzer to output 2. Now we have connected all the components. Now let's do coding.
Now let's do the coding. Open the Tinkerspace app. Now choose your Tinker board. I will select brain board. Now click on create new project and type your project name. After typing your project name, click on save new project. Here the design space has been opened. Now as per the hardware connection, I will add the input and output devices. Here I added ultrasonic sensor as input 3. In output 1, I added servo motor. In output 2, I added buzzer. Now go to the menu and click on save. The generated design has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on go to code space. The code space has been opened. Now click on add or edit input condition. Select hardware input condition. Distance with 3 condition. Click on select this condition. And again click on add or edit input condition. And here, add default line. Select this. Do you want to enable it? Yes. Now, in the default condition, in servo motor, I will select scan on. In the scan, I will keep in 180 degree. Now click on save settings. In the distance 1 to 20 centimeter, in servo motor, I will select scan off. Save settings. In the same condition, in buzzer, I will select A on or off and the tone I will keep in 100%. Now click on save settings. In the second condition, in distance 21 to 40 centimeter, in servo motor, I will select scan off. Now click on save settings. In the same condition, in buzzer, I will select A on or off. The tone will be in 100%. Now click on save settings. In the distance 40 above, in this condition we will select buzzer and the buzzer tone I will keep in 0. Now click on save settings. As for servo motor in 40 above, I will select do nothing condition. Now click on save settings. In the radar system project, in the default condition, scan on till 180 degrees means the servo motor will keep on scan the entire area around 180 degrees. It will rotate 0 to 180 degree angle continuously. So for that condition we set on default condition. And in distance 1 to 20 centimeter, like when the ultrasonic sensor will detect a presence of an object, like unidentified foreign object, then the servo motor will stop scanning and in that case the buzzer will turn on. So we kept the condition 100%. So that if the ultrasonic sensor detects a object, the buzzer will turn on, indicating the people that there is an unidentified object is coming to the territory. In the distance 21 to 40 centimeter, the servo motor will stop scanning. Like where the object is detected, on that particular place, the servo motor will stop. So we put it the condition scan off. and the buzzer will again turn on. So we kept it in 100%. The buzzer will turn on. Another in distance 40 above. The servo motor will keep on scanning and the buzzer will not gonna turn on. So we kept it in 0%. Because like when the object is near, like coming near to the territory, then only the buzzer and the servo motor will stop and indicating where the object is, and it will alert us by providing the sound. In the default condition, the servo motor will keep on scan the place 180 degrees. So like a radar system. So like this, the radar system project's coding works. After the coding is done, after generating the code, now click on Save Code. The generated code has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Upload Code. Here you have two options. First one, USB upload. Second one, Wi-Fi upload. Now enter your device ID. Now I will enter my device ID. My device ID is Thinkers125. So now I will enter my device ID. My device ID I have entered. Now I will click on Wi-Fi upload. To upload the code, follow these 3 steps. Step number 1. Turn on mobile hotspot. So set your hotspot name to tinkerspace.in and the password is Tinkers123. Step number 2. Click on flash or code switch of your Tinker board about 4 to 5 seconds and your board will be automatically connected to this hotspot. Now step number 3. Click on search my device button. Now your device is searching and the device is connected. Now click on upload code. Now the generated code is going to the server and now it is uploading to the Thinkerspace brainboard. The generated code has been successfully uploaded to the Thinkerspace brainboard. Here we finished our coding part. Now let's do the hardware part.
Now the coding is done. Now let's test our project. Our project is tested. Now let's implement it in our model. Here we have finished the model of our project work. Here we fixed an ultrasonic sensor, a servo motor and a buzzer. This radar system keeps a surveillance of 180 degrees. Now let's do a demo. Now, when an unidentified object tries to come near to the radar system, the ultrasonic sensor will detect it and the buzzer will give us alert.
Hope you enjoyed this project. Download our Thinkerspace app where you can find more model ideas suitable for this project. Do you like gifts? We have some giveaways waiting for you. Just follow the next steps to claim your Tinker gift. Open Thinkerspace app and create this project code as per the tutorial. Then share this code to me by clicking the button Share to Teacher. Here you have to enter your name, school, class, phone number and click Send. We will go through code of each student and we will pick 25 students per month who will receive our giveaway Thinkerspace project. Why waiting? Do this project code and grab your kit for free. Thank you and stay connected with us.